Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 4.9% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The euro fell 0.5% against the dollar in the last trading session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the pound drop 0.5% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar pair dove 1.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Moves by Apple Inc. and Google that make it harder for brands to track billions of consumers are creating an opportunity for advertising companies that were hit hard by the pandemic. The UK economy shrank by 1.5% in the first 3 months of 2021, but gathered speed in March as lockdown restrictions began to ease, boosting retail spending. Papa John's, which provided the first ever real-world items bought for Bitcoin, is offering UK customers a free Bitcoin reward.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. initial jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. Australia's consumer inflation expectations at 100 GMT. The U.S. Producer Price Index at 12:30 GMT. The Irish Consumer Price Index will be released at 1000 GMT, the Irish HICP at 1000 GMT, Japan's EcoWatcher survey current at 500 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.